Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can open a cryptocurrency wallet to store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Solana or Dogecoin, etc. So there are a lot of wallets out there to store the Bitcoin. You can use things like Binance, they have already a wallet so everything is embedded. But the problem with these things is that when you try to deposit or withdraw, you can see their fees are actually a lot, so it is, I don't recommend to use if you are eh, going to withdraw or send the bitcoins in smaller amounts. So this is why I am going to bring this tutorial on the my personal favorite wallet that has lowest fees when it comes to withdrawals and deposits. So to start, you need to have your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter you have a Android or iOS. You can go to Play Store or App Store, and here you can search for Trust Wallet, and you can see here this icon. So this is the app that we are going to install and we are going to use. So here, click on Install button. So this with this wallet, I believe it is most easiest and the portable wallet, and you can actually transfer bitcoins in lower fees compared to other wallets that I have tried. So once you finish the installation, you have to open the application like this, and in here you can see if you already have a wallet you can import their keys and start, otherwise create a new wallet. So in here, agree and continue, and here let's type a passport. So I'm writing 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this passport is used to open the application on your mobile. So in here we are going to see the 12 words of the recovery phrase. This is very important because if you lost this, you have lost the way. If you have lost your device, you can't get your cryptocurrencies. So make sure you have to note these 12 words you see on the next screen. So in here you can see these words, you have to copy it and paste it somewhere safe, because if we are going to restore the wallet or if we are going to a new mobile, we have to use these words to get your account and your cryptocurrencies in those account to back. In the before you have seen in a screen, I have seen these things in this order. So in here I have to tap the words to put this in the order. So here, let's see, the first word here is yellow. So from here find yellow.
And the I put it somewhere I can see. The next one is more, much, Satoshi, uniform, love, about, genius, fate, blah.
Control recycle. So well done, I have successfully done that. So let's click next. Now I have successfully created my wallet here at Trust Wallet. So in here you can see your cryptocurrencies, and when you click on the cryptocurrency, you can see here if you want send it to someone, you have to click on send. But as my balance is 0, I can't send, and here you have typed the address. And if you want to receive the bitcoin, you have to click on receive, and here you will get your address. There's one important thing, this is the your coin address, not BEP20, the smart chain network address. So in here you can see here this is native coin address. So I will do a video on the networks, you can see at the end screen of this video, so make sure to that video. Otherwise if you transfer wrong coins network to, suppose if you transfer your coin networks bitcoins to a BEP20 network bitcoin, your funds will be lost. So ensure to watch that video at the end of this tutorial. So in here, if you want to enable other coins, those are not available in here, just click on this button and here search for the coins such as ADA. So in here I can find the coins that start with ADA. If it is supported, it will be shown here. In here you can see there is network BEP20, or BEP2 or ERC network. So ensure that you have those things in here. Before here I will enable Solano, and if I go back in here you can see Solano. So next tutorial will be on how to transfer the funds between the accounts. So make sure you watch that video before you transfer anything. Otherwise your funds might get lost also.